Hello everyone, welcome to VTechTube. In this video, we're gonna see how you can customize your channel URL. Yes, your channel URL looks something like this. It's clumsy, right? And it's hard to memorize. YouTube gives us an opportunity to change our channel URL provided you met 4 requirements. First, you should meet 100 subscribers. Yes, I take this opportunity to thank my subscribers and supporters who helped me to reach this milestone. Second, you must have a channel banner, customized channel banner, not the default banner which gives by YouTube. Third, you must have a customized channel icon. The channel must be 30 days old. If you met all these 4 requirements, good to go. Let's get into the computer and see how we can customize our channel URL. Let's get started. Log into your YouTube account and go to your YouTube studio. In the left hand side, click on settings and it will get you through another page. Under settings, click on channel, advanced settings. Scroll down, you will see YouTube manage account. Click on view advanced settings. This will give you the channel URL page. Under custom URL, you can see you are eligible for custom URL. Claim it here. Click on claim it here. It automatically generates your default YouTube channel name. If you are satisfied with the auto-generated custom URL, tick on I have read and agree the custom URL terms of use. Then click on change URL. This is the last step of the process. Once you confirm the custom URL, you cannot change it again. Make sure all the spellings are correct on this and click on confirm choice. It will take fraction of a second to update. To verify, open a new tab and type youtube.com/c and your channel name. Now you can see my channel is working with new URL. How many of you haven't changed your channel URL yet? Let me know in the comments below. And I hope this video helps you to change your channel URL. Don't forget to hit the red color subscribe button below and set the bell notification to all. So whenever I post new videos, you will get notified. I'll catch up in the next video. Until then, stay safe.